The next topic is S3 multi-part upload. So multi-part upload is a feature of S3 which will be allowing you to upload large objects into different parts. Okay, they can be uploaded parallelly. For example, I have this file of 200 MB. So what I'll do is, I would be just breaking this file down. This has to be done with the help of command line interface. Now this service or this feature cannot be accessible from the console. So you have to run few commands for multi-part upload. So if you are using the Linux operating system, then splitting down files is, there's a Linux command by default for splitting down the files. But if you are using Windows, then you have to use third-party tool for splitting down your file into different parts, right? So let's say that I'm having the 200 MB of file. Then what I can do is I can just convert it to 40 MB. Right? 4 5s are 20, so we get 200 MB in total. So I've just converted this file into the 40 MB parts, and these parts can be uploaded parallelly to my S3 bucket. So what would be the advantage of this? So when we don't have good network conditions, okay, when our network is not stable, then at that time we can be using this multi-part upload. So each object, or say each smaller part, would be uploaded independently. And once these all parts are being uploaded, the S3 would be combining this again into a single object. And how it will be able to do that? Because each of these parts would be having some value called as E-tag value. So the E-tag, according to the E-tag value, these parts would be combined together into one object. And if any part is getting failed to get uploaded, okay, so you can just retry uploading that part only. So you don't have to upload the entire file of 200 MB, because when we are not having, stable network connection, then it is quite possible that our upload will fail. So if the upload of 200 MB is failing, let's suppose that, 98% of uploadation is done and then my upload fails. It would be very painful, right? So that's why this multi-part upload comes into the picture. It is recommended by AWS that whenever you are having objects above than 100 MB of size, then you should be opting for multi-part upload. This is recommendation, okay? But the restriction is, if your object is greater than 5 GB, then compulsorily you have to go for multi-part upload. And the largest size that you can have for your object is 5 TB on AWS S3.